Has your WLFI token been unlocked yet? Well, mine finally has, but getting there was a mess. In this video, I want to walk you through everything I experienced step by step. If you're in a similar situation, I hope this helps you out, or at least gives you some direction. A few days ago, I logged into the official WLFI website to check on my token unlocking progress. But instead of seeing my unlock status, I was hit with this message. We're sorry, your request cannot proceed at this time. Approval has not been granted. Due to security and compliance concerns, we cannot provide further details. The moment I saw that, I realized my account was probably flagged or frozen. I immediately jumped onto Twitter to see if others were facing the same issue. And yes, I found tons of people complaining. On August 27th, the WLFI team finally responded. They said they had mobilized their KYC team for a new round of review, and that anyone affected should email compliance@wlfi.email. Even the WLFI Turkish community account shared the same update, saying the issue would be resolved soon, although no clear timeline was given. I didn't waste time. I sent them a detailed email. This was August 26th, 3 p.m. PST, explaining everything. My wallet address, the error message I received, and my KYC documents. To help others, I have also created a multilingual version of this email template, which I will show in this video. Feel free to pause and screenshot it to use for yourself. Unfortunately, my first email got 0 response. So the next day, I suspected maybe it was an email delivery issue. I created a new email account and sent everything again. I also joined a user group where people were sharing their experiences. Some users said they only wrote a single sentence with their wallet address and got unlocked within hours. I tried simplifying my email too, but no luck. In fact, I attached even more documents. Passport, national ID, bank statement, everything that might help prove my identity. Still no reply by the end of August 28th. By then I was pretty much losing hope. I figured I might have to accept the fact that my WLFI tokens were never going to be unlocked. But then on August 29th at 6 a.m. PST, just one day before trading my life, I received an email from the compliance team. It simply said, try logging in again and check your assets. I followed the instructions, and to my surprise, it worked. My account was restored. I was asked to agree to the unlock terms, and boom, 20% of my allocation was unlocked. I was honestly shocked. After days of silence and frustration, I didn't expect it to suddenly just work. From what I can tell, the WLFI compliance team is actually working around the clock. Some users got replies during regular business hours, while others, like me, received them at odd hours. And here's one important detail. The email address that finally got a reply was my third attempt. The first 2 emails I sent from different addresses still haven't received a response. So my advice is simple. Don't just wait. If you don't hear back, try a new email, try a new message, keep following up. Now, let me offer one more piece of advice. If you're still locked out after the token goes live, if your WLFI tokens still aren't unlocked when trading begins, consider hedging. That means opening a small short position at a high level in the futures market to protect yourself in case the token price drops. This way, even if you can't move your WLFI tokens, you're not fully exposed to losses. But please be careful. Use low leverage. Don't go all in. This is just a personal strategy I tried, not financial advice. Evaluate your own risk tolerance before doing anything. Quick recap what to do if you are still locked. 1. Email compliance@wlfi.email as soon as possible. 2. Keep your message short and clear, including your wallet address and the issue. 3. Attach KYC documents like ID, passport, and bank statements if needed. 4. Try multiple email addresses if you don't hear back. 5. And above all, stay patient and keep following up. After 2 full days of radio silence, finally got my unlock just in time. If you are still stuck, I truly hope this video helps you get your funds unlocked too. As promised, I have included my multilingual email templates in this video. Pause and screenshot them when they pop up to save your hours of time. Good luck